can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin XRP. Over the last 1 year, XRP is up 317%. How high can XRP go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We have seen XRP have that wonderful rally in November of 2024. The rally took XRP from the $0.45 level. XRP rallied to as high as $3.38. That was the highest price we have seen XRP go for since 2018. Can we break definitely to new all-time highs? Can XRP get to the $5 level, maybe the $10 level? How high can XRP go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll look at XRP's valuation against the US dollar, look at XRP's price history, look at XRP's valuation against Bitcoin, XRP's valuation against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at XRP's market cap, which is up in the sky. XRP has a market cap of $127 billion. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. XRP trading above $2.1. We've gotten to as high as $3.2 for the last 6 months on the price of XRP with 24-hour trading volume of more than $1.8 billion. Fully diluted market cap sitting at $217 billion. The XRP all-time high happened on the 4th of January 2018, 7 years ago. We saw it trading for as high as $3.84, a 43% decline since then. How high can XRP go in the coming days and coming weeks, guys? I believe one final pump for XRP is around the corner. XRP has a lot of ambassadors, a lot of soldiers that have been waiting for it to pump to the moon. It's been a long journey. XRP is one of the oldest coins in the cryptocurrency market. It was here since 2013 and it has participated in every bull run we had since then. We saw it pump in 2013, November of 2013, had its first bear market. And the next big pump we saw for XRP came in 2017. That's the pump a lot of market participants want to experience. That's the pump we're hoping will come back to the XRP network, where we see outrageous pump. XRP went from $0.005 to as high as $3.3, rallying up by more than 680x. $1,000 invested in XRP, guys, would have returned over $680,000. Outrageous gains. That's what the market gave in 2017, entering 2018. But since then, a lot of market participants have expected XRP to continue in that form, but XRP has faltered to deceive. We have seen XRP dump in the bear market, the 2018-2019 bear market. It lost 96% of its value. In 2021, even though Bitcoin went to new all-time highs, XRP was one of the altcoins that didn't go to all-time highs. We saw a rally of around 1,500%, which was a good rally then. XRP went from as low as $0.13 to as high as $2. But XRP couldn't get to new all-time highs in 2021, and when 2022 bear market came around, we saw another big deep bear market. This time around, XRP lost 84% of its value in that bear market. But since the 2022 bear market, we have seen XRP consolidate for quite a while. It went sideways, the court case here and there, the SEC. But finally, in November of 2024, XRP rallied above where we traded in 2021. XRP got to as high as the $3.3 level, a 1,000% pump from the bottom of the 2022 bear market. It was very, very wonderful. But yet again, market participants were expecting XRP to continue pumping to higher prices, so they got caught up at the $3.2 level. Instead of them to be selling for some sweet profit, they were adding to their bags, which begs the question: how high can XRP possibly go? If we're being realistic, guys, I think we can easily see it at the $8 level, the $9 level. But my best case scenario for XRP over the next few days and the next few weeks, we'll see it rally up to as high as $5. I believe the $5 level is where a lot of smart money is going to be exiting. At $5, a lot of smart money would have gotten huge profits if you bought at the bottom of the 2022 bear market. If you rally to the $5 level, you'll be up over 1,600%, and that is something to write home about. I'm always careful when everybody that has the coin is in profit. So when Bitcoin gets to all-time highs, I'm always careful. I'm like, that's a good time to sell. Think about it from this perspective. Everybody in history that's bought the coin, when we get to all-time highs, they will be in some sweet profit. Don't you think that's a good time to sell? I always think that's a good time to sell. If you want to get some XRP for yourself, guys, you can get some XRP on Binance. If you want to buy yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on BitGet. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some XRP right there. Launched in 2012, the XRP ledger is an open source, permissionless, and decentralized technology. Benefits of the XRP ledger include low costs, speed settling transactions, scalability, and inherent green attributes. The XRP ledger also features the first decentralized exchange and customized tokenization abilities built into the protocol. If you look at XRP's performance against Bitcoin, we had a rally in 2024, which erased most of the losses XRP had against Bitcoin. XRP was making losses against Bitcoin since July of 2023. That rally in 2024 erased all those losses. I'm waiting for the next rally, guys. I believe the next rally is around the corner, and the next rally is going to be violent. It's going to be very epic. That's when we see huge pumps to the upside. That's when we see XRP outperforming Bitcoin. That's when we see XRP outperforming also Ethereum. I have a strong belief that all coins outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum at the end of a market cycle. That's not just a belief, that's a fact. If you go back in the charts and you look at when most altcoins pump, it's when we're in the end of the market cycle, when market participants go risks on, when market participants believe this time is different. But remember, guys, this time is not different. The pump will always come, the dump will always come, and I believe the final pump is around the corner. The final pump comes, we're going to see some bearish divergences in XRP's performance against Ethereum, XRP's performance against Bitcoin, and maybe XRP's performance against the US dollar. But don't get carried away. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. The higher we go, the more you sell from the sweet profit. The lower you go, the want to accumulate more, getting ready for the bull market. With XRP's market cap reaching new all-time highs, there might be spell some troubling signs for XRP, because, guys, anytime you see tokens market cap getting to new all-time highs without the price getting to new all-time highs, it means more tokens have come into circulation. It means the game has been distorted by the composite man. And right now, the composite man for XRP is Ripple. They have the most supply. They are the ones selling the coins. They are the ones using market participants as exit liquidity. So if we don't see XRP getting to new all-time highs, maybe, just maybe, we missed the top. That was the top in November. But I strongly believe the market is going to seize all market participants. We're going to see all-time highs. Everybody will be in profit. We'll be singing Kumbaya. We'll be talking about how we're going to the moon. And that will be the most dangerous part of the market, where you should sell for some sweet profit. A lot of people won't sell. We've seen XRP's market cap even get to as high as $200 billion in 2024. We can easily go up 100% from where we're currently trading. 100% pump, we see XRP trading above $4, near the $5 level. My best take is that XRP will get near $5 in this cycle, and that can happen very quickly. And when that happens, market participants will call for $10, $20. The market participants are never satisfied. They always want more. Your number one job is to know when market participants are too greedy and you want to sell for some sweet profit then, and you want to know when they are fearful, and that's when you want to be buying. So, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more XRP right now above $2? Do you believe we'll see new all-time highs? How high can we possibly go? Drop your thoughts about that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.